Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself, and today's video is about how to start your car if your remote control has a dead battery. And this is a video about Ford Edge 2019, but it's going to be very similar to a whole bunch of different cars that starts with a push button, not with the old style when you can turn the ignition with a key. So it's going to be very similar to this one. For the video, basically, if it doesn't start, the first thing you do, you check your battery. So to do that, you pretty much just pry it open just like that, very carefully, and all of them is pretty much gonna have the same type of battery over here. So I guess it's useful to have one of those batteries on hand. So for the test, the battery, by the way, it's pretty much the same. It's a CR 2032. Yeah, CR right here. It's gonna be visible. CR 2032. That's gonna be pretty generic battery that you use probably on most of the remotes. So right here, all of this, I got it apart, no batteries, put it back together, and now so we are imitating that my battery is totally dead. So now I'm gonna try to start my vehicle with this remote control without the battery. So you have a remote control either with a dead battery or no battery, and you try to start it. Basically, you push the pedal, if you didn't know, the brake pedal, and you push it over here. You try to start it, nothing is happening, and you get this no key detected message. You can push it all you want, nothing's gonna happen. So what to do? On some of the models, you actually keep remote against this push button, what I saw. On this Ford Edge, it's actually much smarter. You open this glove box, and if you're gonna look down over here, there's a little pocket here, see? And you slide your key just like that in there. You slide it in there, and let's see what's happened now. We push the brakes, and you're good to go. So you pretty much can drive with a key like this. Make sure it doesn't fall out like that. So technically you don't really need the battery, you can drive just like that, except with that kind of a dead remote, you're not going to be able to open the door. And how to get inside the car. Ford actually give you two options. You either use the keypad on the door, or there's a little thingy over here that you could pull the key right there. You cannot start the vehicle with this, but you can open the door, and then you actually can drive just with the remote with that secret pocket. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to shoot me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.